Hey everyone, it's yours truly, 876 by birth, and this is an update regarding the channel. As you all notice, I took a break from uploading content, and one of the main things that led to that decision was my inability to create quality content, alright? And because I'm the type of person that I believe if I'm gonna do something, I should do it to the best of my potential. Now, with that being said, when I started, I really never had the proper equipment to do the filming and the editing, alright? Not that I'm saying my videos are the worst, but they're not the best either. So I basically took some time off and I went and got the proper gears and stuff, so I could do better at the videos, alright? And guess what, guys? I'm back right now. Yeah. Now, not that I got everything, but I think what I have should enable me to put out quality content that is at least 10 times better than what I was putting out before. Also, guys, I have some great news, alright? As you know, this is a young channel, and I currently have the driving series that's going on, alright? Now, I want to let you know that I am gonna have 2 more series adding to the channel, alright? One of them is called Yardman Up in a Foreign. Alright, so that's basically a Jamaican in a foreign land and just seeing how things are there, just doing stuff in a foreign land, hence the name Yardman Up in a Foreign. Alright, and the other one is called Real Estate Jamaica. Alright, now that's gonna cover like house tours and stuff. Alright, so like houses for sale, probably properties for rent and all of that stuff. Alright, so yeah, so Yardman Up in a Foreign and Real Estate Jamaica. Alright, and also guys, there's even plans to start doing vlogging and all of that stuff. So yeah, we have plans for get the thing where we want it to go, you understand? But as I said, young channel, growing channel, we're just taking baby steps, you know what I mean? So yeah guys, journey with us and make us see it go, you understand? Yeah, but for right now, I'm gonna make you get a look at the intro for Yardman Up in a Foreign. So take a look.
Yardman up in a foreign. Yardman up in a foreign. You hear me talk? Yardman up in a foreign. You hear me talk? Yardman up in a foreign. Yardman up in a foreign. Yardman up in a foreign. Up in a foreign. Big up every yard, girl, yard man, stepping at the street, clocks, Jordan. Yard man up in a foreign. Yard man up in a foreign. Yard man up in a foreign. Up in a foreign. Up in a foreign.
Alright, there you have it. Yardman Up in a Foreign. Yeah. And guys, I want to take some time out to big up Ayara. So the song you're hearing right in the intro, that's from a Jamaican artist called Ayara. I know a lot of you guys probably know him, and maybe a lot of you guys don't know him. Alright, this song that he did, Yardman Up in a Foreign, it's actually one of his latest projects. Now I had this idea for a while now, guys. Like, I really did have the idea for a while, and I don't know, when I see Ayara do that song, I'm like, yo, this is like the perfect song for do the intro. You get what I say? So yeah, and I mean, I love it and everything. You get what I say? So it basically was speaking exactly what me did plan for do. You get what I say? So guys, go ahead and check out Ayara thing. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description. Film video for the song and everything. Check it out, and yeah, you understand, if you want to comment on him thing too, and yeah, show him some love. Alright, Jamaican artist, Jamaican dancehall artist, Ayara. Alright, so Ayara, big up yourself, my G. Blessings, alright? Yeah guys, alright, so as I said, the next thing will be the house tours, Real Estate Jamaica. Alright, so anything to do with real estate, that's what I'm gonna be posting as well. And as I said, there are plans to do vlogging. Yeah, the vlogs might not be, when we start the vlogs, it might not be a regular thing, but you know, for ask, it's exciting and all them good stuff there, isn't it? And then until we can put it on a regular basis and stuff. Yeah. So as I said, guys, whole heap of things. All right. So here's the thing now. With the driving series, you guys know I tried to like drop a video every day. That's what I tried to do. All right. That is still my intention to go every day with the driving videos with the Yardman Up in a Foreign. It's gonna be 1 day per week, and we're gonna run that for a couple of weeks. All right. That's actually gonna be season 1 of that series. All right, yeah, cause you know we are go season 2 and all of them stuff there, and we have whole heap of plans for the Yardman Up in a Foreign. So me, yeah, I mean, I tell you, yo, if you ever know, as a matter of fact, guys, we actually have the videos, you know. Videos them done edit everything them there on YouTube right now. It's just that it's not public for you guys to see it. So I don't think a joking thing. You understand? It's serious. Me I tell you, the video them there. You understand? The driving series, we have videos for them there too. Videos there, guys. It's just that, as I said, it's not public. Alright? Alright, yeah, it's not public yet. Soon public though. Soon public. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So make sure you turn on the post notification, and you know the good stuff already. You know YouTube work already. You know the whole like and subscribe and share and all of them something they comment. You know for work YouTube already. I don't need to repeat that something there. Alright. We've been on YouTube long enough. We know what to do for see who we want to see. Alright. So yeah guys. Now yeah, as me I say, a whole heap of things. A whole heap of plans we have, guys. Whole heap of plans we have for the thing. Alright. Personally, me, I really love the driving thing, like the driving series. Personally, me like them, because like before I even started doing this, I watch a lot of these like people driving around major cities and stuff, you know what I mean? I really enjoy it because I always wanted to like, you know, get a glimpse in other places and see what it's like and all of them stuff there, which actually led me to do the whole Yardman Up in a Foreign something too, because like I also watch people who do vlogs just walking around them city, them area where them live and all of them something there. So I mean, not really to sound selfish, but these things what me do on the channel are actually things that me like. Not saying that you guys are like all like, but I know somebody must like it, and if you like it, show your appreciation. As me say, you know YouTube work already. Click the like and do the do. All right, yeah. So yeah, guys, been talking for a while now, you know, and yeah, me tend to over talk a lot. So I kind of want just, you know, yeah, cut it off right there. So, but I'm trying to think. I don't want to leave out anything, so I'm just trying to make sure. As I said, driving series. Gonna try my best to release a video every day for that, and Yardman Up in a Foreign once a week, the house tour once a week as well. The vlogs, they are not gonna be regular for right now. Vlogs are gonna be every now and then probably, but they will be titled and all of that, so you will see it and all of that. You get me? Now for the days that I'm gonna be releasing the Yardman Up in a Foreign video and the real estate video, those two series will be aired or will be public to you guys on different days. However, the driving series, you'll still get a video for that. So for example, it's a Monday and I'm gonna release Yardman Up in a Foreign on a Monday, right? You still get a driving video for that day, so you get 2 videos. So let's say if I'm consistent with the driving videos, 1 every day, that's 7 videos. And then with the Yardman Up in a Foreign and the Real Estate Jamaica, so for the week, that's 2. So for the week, you'll have 9 videos from this channel, all right? So yeah, guys, make us see it go. And I want to just shout out everyone who has subscribed, everyone who watch but not subscribe, whether you watch by you searching for something and find the channel, or the YouTube algorithm send the video to your feed and you watch whatever, however you watch. Once you hear my voice and you see what me I do, I want to shout you out and just enough respect. Thanks for the support. Thanks for, you know what I mean? Yeah, and if you appreciate what you're doing just as much as how I appreciate you spending the time, if you appreciate the content and all of that, do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. You understand? Yeah, so as I said, big up previous subscribers who have been here. Like we know enough. We know enough a little bit of we in the, you know, in our community, but we have something over everybody when they come here. We can say they are from day one, don't it? Yeah. They are from day one. So I can call them day one from now. So big up my day one them from now. Yeah, we don't know for a couple of in our teens, but I say it go. You understand? I say it go, we grow. You understand? So thanks to you guys for being here, and yeah, I'm gonna stop it talking right now. Just turn on the post notification them, look out for the video them, and guys, the part is important. Listen, you see, whenever the video them drop, comment. Whatever you think about it, comment. Yeah, keep it respectful and all of that, but leave a comment. Talk to me in the comment section and I will respond to you guys, alright? Yeah, if me take a couple hours to respond or a day or two, you know, I'm probably caught up on it. Because you know we live in a real world and we have things for do otherwise too. You understand? But yeah, guys, that's how we want to have the little conversation. Show me some love in the comment section. Make we have a little chit chat and do the right thing, alright? So, until the next video, be safe. Wow.